Hi again, this is my video on how to make an armature. I suppose a lot of people out there are saying, what is an armature? An armature is the framework, the base of your sculpture. What I use is tin foil, ordinary tin foil. You take a piece, quite a big piece, and you tear it off and you scrunch it up. And then you open it, and then now you make the body, which is crunch, 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 crunch. That'll be the head, that's the body, and that's the tail. You see, then you just go around it, and then you just keep on adding until you've got something that looks like what you want. Well, I've put an extra bits of foil on. Hope you can see what I'm trying to make. Oh, well, as you can see, I've sort of got the groundwork done, the framework. The last time I tried, it fell over. But anyway, looks like it's going to fall again. Anyway, this is what it looks like so far. Me again. I'm going to make all my amateurs, and then they're all ready, and then I can make them all and finish them with clay. So this is my next amateur. Hope you can see what it is. Well, this is my last one. It's giving me so much hassles. I didn't think an elephant would be so hard to make. But this is how he looks so far. Here is my elephant again. It's really giving me hassles. I can't seem to get the head right. But I'll keep on trying until I've got it right. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting the clay on my amateurs. Thanks for watching.